along the highway and we are just 2 kilometers from 50,000. 1 kilometer left. Oh gosh, 50,000 freaking kilometers on the bike.
सुबह के 5 the ढूंढ was thin. अपना get ready where the journey begins. Checking the tires, the tank is full. Chrome का चमकना, looking seriously cool.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video from Vipin the Highwayman. Today I bring you this beautiful beast, and this is the most ridden Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX in India. This bike is ridden 50,000 kilometers in a span of 3 years only, and this is the most ridden bike. If I talk about the places which this bike cover the entire coast of India, right from the Odisha to the Mumbai, plus Goa, everywhere this bike has been there, Gujarat and everywhere bike. So this is a very fantastic bike, the most ridden bike. Let me give some technical specifications for the bike, the basic specification. So I'll just start from the front only. I start with the brakes, the braking system for this bike, because इतनी बड़ी bike को control करने के लिए we need a very good brakes. So this bike comes with semi-floating 300 mm double piston calipers के साथ आती है. Plus if I talk about rear में we have a single piston caliper with 200 mm disc. So the braking is fantastically well equipped for the bike. And this bike comes with 17 inches front and 17 inches rear tire. So on-road performance for the bike is superb. And the most important thing, the heart of this bike. This bike is 145 bhp with 150 Newton meters of torque. And this is one of the most reliable engine, inline 4 from the heart of Kawasaki. Japanese है तो कोई problem ही नहीं है. And this bike sounds superb. So I just take you to the exhaust note of this bike. Let me start the bike. Just look at the motor. Amazing sound. This inline 4 is superb awesome. मतलब inline 4 का जो sound होता है ना, उससे better मेरे को नहीं लगता किसी और बाइक का sound हो सकता है. Plus if I talk about the riding comfort of this bike, ये छोटे राइडर्स के लिए बहुत टफ है चलाना, बिकॉज द सीट हाइट इज 835 mm. इट मीन्स यू नीड टू बी एटलीस्ट 5'8" और 5'10", देन यू वुड बी कंफर्टेबल. अदरवाइज तो आप टिप टॉप पे खड़े हो गए बाइक पे. सो सीट हाइट इज अ बिग चैलेंज फॉर दिस बाइक. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस 135. इट मीन्स यू कैन टेक मतलब नॉट एनी काइंड ऑफ अ टेरेन, बट जिस टेरेन पे हम लोग हैं सेंज वैली, उसमें आप यहाँ तक इसको आप लेके आ सकते हो. आगे लेके जाना फिर भी थोड़ा टफ है, बट इस टेरेन में दिस बाइक परफॉर्म सो वेल. So this is तो all about the bike. It's a touring category bike from the Ninja. और इसके बाद तो सिर्फ 14R ही एक ऑप्शन है. If आप talk about the Kawasaki का touring का अगर फैमिली को आप देखोगे, 14R is not available, but this bike is still available. इसका next variant भी आ गया है, that is 1100 SX. That is also a promising bike, but this bike is special because this bike done 50,000 kilometers in 3 years within India. So going forward, I just want to introduce to the owner of this bike. Who ride this bike so well. 50,000 kilometers is not a small task. So he's a very good friend of mine. By profession, he's a real estate giant. So Gaurav, please if you come and join with me.
Hi.
So this is a beautiful machine. If you want to say anything within a quick 15-20 second kind of a bite, so what do you want to say for this bike?
I would say that it's been a while that I had this bike, and I simply love this bike. I don't think I would ever want to change it. It's quite powerful. It is very comfortable to sit on, and you can do long kilometers in it without any problems.
Okay. So just tell me 3 good things which you think which differentiate this bike with the other tourers available in the market.
So first of all, like the other tourers, it's not as comfortable, but it is a quick bike. So when you're going on long tours, when you have those places where you have traffic, you have to overtake, it has that power to overtake those.
Power is the one thing which differentiates.
It has that power to do it.
Very good.
Then again, it's a very well balanced bike. So when you're riding for long time, and the way you're sitting, it's very comfortable. You don't really feel sleepy or lethargic or anything. You're always on your toes.
Very good, very good. And what would be the third thing you want to say about the bike, which is very good?
Third thing, being a liter class, it has a really good economy, which was a surprise for me. On highways, I can easily clock over 20. So for a liter class, that's very good.
Right. But we listen very good things about the bike. If you want to ask two things, which thing you think ki Kawasaki need to improve in this bike, and then this bike will become a 100% which is made for you kind of a bike.
So first, I would say that if you're touring, generally you're going on, highways or expressways, so there is no problem at all. But when you're at slow speeds, like the traffic, you're in the city, the seat height is about a 835 mm. So,
Okay.
like I'm 5'8.5", which is an average height. So people who are shorter than me, even I have problems with planting my foot down. So, and it's a very heavy bike. It's a 235 dry weight kg bike.
Oh.
So you need to be sure that your foot is coming down. If the seat could just get down a little bit as a stock, not as a replacement, then this would be a very good option.
What would be the second thing? Well, you want Kawasaki to change in this bike?
Second, I would say it is more made for the suspension is something which, although you have a
Adjuster
preload
suspension,
there is a preload adjuster there. So you can always change it, but the thing is, Indian roads are very unpredictable. Sometimes there's just really good road, sometimes a really bad road comes. You cannot come down all the time and keep on adjusting. So, the suspension is such that you can go on good roads. Handling is excellent, but there are places where you cannot do off-roading. It gives a lot of weight on your arms because of the posture. So, and it's a heavy bike, so you have to be careful.
Right. So you ridden this bike 50,000 kilometers, which
Yeah.
is, but I think this is the one of the first Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, which did 50,000 kilometers in 3 years. So what do you feel about it?
Well, I actually got this for touring, and I do not like too much of Sunday rides. I like touring, and we together have gone so many places together, and there have been places I've gone even before we met. So I just love to take it wherever I can, because it gives me that confidence. So I want to. It was never my aim to go 50,000, 1 lakh kilometer, but I just cannot stop riding it. So yeah.
That's great. So if I talk about the places which this bike covered so far in India, what would be your best places you cover on this bike, which you always dream कि मैंने bike ली है, I have to go to that location. What would these locations you're planning and you've done it?
Definitely not off-roading, but one place where I really enjoyed riding this bike was at Dholavira. So there is a road which is called Road to Heaven.
Road to Heaven, correct.
So over there, because the roads are very good, it's a man-made road. We really enjoyed riding all the way to Gujarat because the roads are very good, from Udaipur all the way
a feel
there.
of your Ram Setu, huh?
Yes, exactly. That was
And
pretty
his
good.
bikes being to Ram Setu also?
Yes, it has been there.
I just want to know what are your best 3 places where you have been on this bike and you enjoyed at your max.
So the first place where I'd been on this bike after I bought it was in the mountains. And unluckily, it was not a great road. And I was very new to the bike. So it was very difficult for me to ride this. I had a very hard time at that time. But eventually, I really enjoyed the ride in the mountains. You can take this to mountains.
Can you be specific what's the place it is? It is Umlingla or something?
No, of course not. Not on Lingla. We have been there, but not on this. It's a very difficult task to take this bike there. It was somewhere close to Triun Trek, so McLeodganj.
Okay.
That was what. But then I remembered, there is experience that you gain how to ride the bike to get used to the weight of the bike. So that was there. Dholavira was one of them. It's a very great ride. And of course, nothing beats the D2K that we did together.
Yeah,
that
that's
was where I loved
bike.
it.
We cover entire length, breadth of the India, all coastal breadth basically.
6,500 kilometers. It was just a breeze on this bike.
6,000 kilometers, 12 days, unbeatable. So that's all from the Kawasaki machine from the Gaurav also. Thank you so much for being this beautiful machine with us.
No problem.
So if you like this bike, you like this review, so I just request you to please subscribe to the channel and follow us on the YouTube. You can just check out Gaurav on his channel, Tires on Fire, and I'm there always. So please do subscribe and share with your friends who like this bike, who love this bike. And if you know further about this bike, you just drop a message on my Insta, wherever it is possible. I just come back to you and just handle your query. Thank you so much.